Hello VibeCast family. Welcome back to your #1 channel for trending news, hot gist, and global updates that matter right here in Nigeria. Today, we are talking about one of the biggest tech stories of the year. Apple is about to drop the iPhone 17 series, and trust me, this one is making serious waves. First things first, Apple has officially set the date. The dropping event is happening on September 9, 2025, live from the Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino, California. Of course, Nigerians and the rest of the world will be able to stream it via Apple's website and YouTube. And here's what to expect. 4 models are coming. The standard iPhone 17. The super slim iPhone 17 Air. The flagship iPhone 17 Pro. And the beast of the lineup, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, Nigerians love sleek gadgets, and the new iPhone 17 Air is already making headlines. It's rumored to be just 5.5mm thick, the thinnest iPhone ever. That means pocket-friendly, stylish, and lightweight. And here's the sweet part, all models will now come with OLED displays and 120Hz refresh rates. No more saving the smooth screen for just the Pro versions. That's a major win for anyone who loves streaming movies, gaming, or scrolling endlessly through TikTok. Oh, and Apple is also changing the design on the Pro models. They may ditch the corner camera bump for a bold, full-width camera bar. When it comes to performance, the iPhone 17 series is expected to come with the A19 chip, and the Pro versions will pack an even stronger A19 Pro. Apple is also adding vapor cooling systems to keep heat down. Great news for heavy gamers in Nigeria who love playing FIFA Mobile or Call of Duty on the go. Battery life. The Pro Max could ship with a massive 5000 mAh battery, and the displays may reach up to 2000 nits brightness, perfect for our Nigerian sun where outdoor visibility is always a challenge. Selfie lovers, get ready. The iPhone 17 series is stepping up with a 24MP front camera. That's double the current resolution. Expect sharper Instagram shots and clearer WhatsApp video calls. For the Pro models, Apple is reportedly rolling out 48MP triple lens cameras with up to 8x optical zoom. Imagine zooming into the stage at a Burna Boy concert from way back, and still getting crystal clear shots. Now, the big question for Nigerians, how much will it cost? Globally, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to start at around $1,100, roughly 1.6 million Nigerian Nairas to 1.7 million Nigerian Nairas depending on the exchange rate. The Pro models may see a small price bump too, but most of the lineup should stick close to iPhone 16 pricing. The launch is September 9th, pre-orders may begin September 12th, and shipping could start from September 19th. For Nigerians, that means we'll likely see the devices hit stores by late September or early October, though prepare for those high reseller markups. A recent survey shows that almost 70% of iPhone users in the US are ready to upgrade. And you know how it is here in Niger. Once the hype drops, you'll start seeing the iPhone 17 trending across Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. The Pro Max and Pro versions are already the most anticipated. So, there you have it, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be Apple's boldest launch yet. Sleek designs, powerful cameras, better batteries, and yes, some very premium price tags. The question now is, will you be upgrading when it lands in Nigeria? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to VibeCast, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the hottest updates on tech, politics, sports, entertainment, and more. This is VibeCast, bringing you the gist that matters, local and international. Catch you on the next one.